Hey everyone, I am walking you through the full Topaz Video AI install and first run on Windows. By the end of this video, you will have the program open and ready to enhance your first clip. To start, open your browser and go to our Topaz website. Find the Windows download link, click it, and save the installer to your desktop so you can find it easily. Wait for the download to finish. Alright, the install just wrapped up and Topaz Video AI launched on first run. You will see a clean, dark interface with the import button in the middle. The AI models finish downloading in the background. Now, let us test it. I am importing a low-res clip into the program, dragging it onto the timeline, picking the upscale AI, and hitting preview. The AI enhances the footage. Super impressive. Final verdict on Topaz Video AI. The upscale quality is genuinely impressive. The interface is clean. The AI models work fast. Give it a try. Link in the description.